Hey guys, welcome back. So I haven't vlogged in a really long time and I wanted to vlog today because I guess it's kind of an exciting day. I'm actually getting ready to deep condition this wig right here. I had this wig for a few months. I did a review on it, and then I'm gonna use my silicone mix and some water. And if you see that look red right here, is because I got rid of my peach fuzz and I used some Nair, but I think I kind of burned myself. I don't know. I did do my eyebrows. They came out pretty good. So if you're wondering, I'm getting ready to go to a night swim pool party later on tonight. So, you know, of course I have to get cute. Got my eyebrows done. Well, I did my eyebrows. I did my peach fuzz. Now I'm getting ready to do my wig. And then I want to go to the thrift store to see if I can find a cute little simple outfit. I don't have any bathing suits because I can't even remember the last time I freaking, you know, wore a bathing suit. So I'm going to start deep conditioning this wig. And then I'm going to get ready to go to the thrift store, see if I can find a cute little like cover up or bathing suit or something. I really don't, like I said, I really don't wear bathing suits like that, so I don't want to spend a lot of money on a bathing suit. That's why I'm going to see if I can find one at the thrift store. So I'll take you along with me to the thrift store, and then we'll get ready later on tonight, and then I'll take you to the pool party. So stay tuned. I think it should be a really fun vlog. I want to start doing more vlogs as I do more things around Vegas and stuff, so I guess you guys get to know me a little bit better. Alright guys, so I finished saturating the hair with water. Is this camera dirty? Alright, there we go. I finished saturating the hair with some water and silicone mix. Now I'm getting ready to put a plastic bag over it so she can get nice and moisturized. And I used the silicone mix, this brush right here, and a Derman brush, and this is how much hair came out the wig, so not too bad. So I'm gonna do that, and then next I'm gonna get ready to do my nails. I already did my toes. I did a manicure. I did a pedicure on my toes. I did white toes, so I'm getting ready to do a full set on my nails, and then from there we're gonna head to Goodwill and hopefully find some cute things at Goodwill for this pool party tonight. Alright, I'll see you. Alright, so this is the shape I decided to do, little baby almond nails. Since I've been practicing on how to braid my own hair, I want to keep it nice and short. Now I have the second hardest choice, which is trying to pick what color I want. I'm a pink girl, so I'm always leaning towards these colors right here, but I kind of want to do something different and step out of my comfort zone and do maybe like a, I don't know if I could go that bold. I don't know. What should I do? I have no idea. I was thinking of doing like a blue, kind of like these colors right here, kind of aiming for those. So we'll see. There you have it. I did my nails. I love this color. I decided to go with it looks baby blue on camera, but it's more like a periwinkle color. So a mixture of like baby blue and purple. Super pretty. So now I'm gonna get ready to get in the shower and head over to Goodwill. Alright guys, so I just got back from Goodwill. I got some really good stuff. So I got these distressed shorts, and these were $6.49. Super cute. I'll probably wear those tonight. And I got these shorts with some little patching on it, some patchwork that was also $6.49. I got these bomb heels, you guys. Look at this. I almost passed these up because I couldn't find the size on it. I'm like, oh, they're probably too small. But I tried it on and they were perfect. Like, these are really good, legit, like, leather shoes. And I got them for, I think, like, $5. And I'm so glad I got those. I'm going to my friend's wedding, and I'm gonna be a bridesmaid, and I needed a pair of shoes. So the dress is long, so I'm gonna wear these. They're super comfortable. I can't do skinny heels anymore because the way my knees are set up, I have really bad knees, so I gotta wear like chunky heels. And then the main reason I went to Goodwill was because I needed a bathing suit, because, you know, your girl doesn't have a bathing suit. So I got this super cute like V-cut bathing suit, and I got this for $2.50. And then I got some kimonos. I've been wanting kimonos for the longest, guys, but I couldn't never like find, I guess, the courage, not the courage, but the will to pay, like, you know, over $20 for a robe, basically. So I found this one super cute. I love the pattern on it. And this one was, I think, like $7. And then I got this one. It's like a pink and oh, it's so beautiful. And that one was also $7. So overall, I had a really good day at Goodwill today. Actually, tomorrow is 50% off the whole store, so I might find my way back in there, but I might not. Long story short, I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna lay down my lace front wig and do my makeup and stuff, and I will catch you guys right before I hit the road for the pool party. All right, guys. So I'm finally done getting ready. I put my wig on. I did my makeup. My outfit is basically from the thrift store. This kimono was like $7 from Goodwill. My bathing suit is also from Goodwill. It was $2. My shorts are from Goodwill as well. These were $6. And then those shoes right there that I'm wearing are those clear heels. I got those from Rainbow for $5. So yeah, my whole outfit is basically budget friendly, and I think it looks super cute. Even these sandals look good with it. So who knows, I might take these too. But yep, I'm off to the pool party. I will be vlogging in there. Should be fun. Never been to a Vegas night swim. And yeah, guys, let's go party.